Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your video history on Facebook. Yes, if you watch videos on Facebook, there is a way to find your video watch history like the YouTube. So without any delay, let's start our video. First, go to your Facebook application, and now select your profile icon on top of your right. Select here and click your profile. Now beside edit, you can see the three dots. Just click the three dots here, and you can see the option activity log here. Just click on that option. Now you can see all of your activity, your interaction, like comments, and also your video history. All you have to do is swipe left, and you can see the option video watched. Just click that option, and now you can see all the video that I watched, and this is the history, and this option is only for me and no one can see it. So there is another way, and you can also clear this video. Just select those three dots on right and click and delete, and it will be deleted like this. And if you want to clear the whole history, just click that to clear video history, and your whole video watch history will be removed. And this is the video. I hope this helps you. If this helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you guys on next video.